solve no. Aswa ko siya.
The Honorable Vice President, LENI ROBREDO. LENI, I'd like to thank you for continuing to give us PPEs and other articles na kailangan sa mga frontliners natin sa hospital. I know that you are doing this out of the goodness of your heart, but I also know that you are my friend, because I was a friend, very close friend of Jesse Robredo. On behalf of the people of DavaodelSur, let me extend to you, together with the Congresswoman Didi Cagas and Mark Cagas, my son, the Vice Governor, and the people of DavaodelSur, especially the medical workers. Malaking tulong ito sa amin. Salamat na naalala mo kami palagi. Thank you and good luck.
I love DavaodelSur. I love DavaodelSur. I love DavaodelSur.